In this video, I'm going to show you 8 reasons you should start drinking garlic milk before bedtime. Garlic milk is a mixture of 2 components known for their health benefits dating back hundreds of years. The combination of these 2 ingredients can certainly have many advantages, and I'll show you 8 of them along with a recipe that will teach you how to make this wonderful drink. Number 1, it can treat and prevent acne. Garlic contains several sulfur compounds that help prevent the growth of harmful bacteria. Drinking garlic milk can enhance garlic's ability to prevent acne because the various components of the mixture are absorbed by the blood and then excreted from the body through sweating, which is what allows the compounds to harm the bacteria deep in the pores of the skin and destroy it, leaving your skin clean and smooth. Number 2, it can prevent constipation and bloating. Constipation and bloating are very common problems. Garlic milk has heating properties and is also smooth and heavy, which in turn helps to prevent and treat constipation and bloating. Number 3, it can reduce the risk of common colds and flu. A 2001 study found that garlic helps in reducing the risk of cold, easing the symptoms of various winter diseases, and ensuring a faster recovery from them. Combining it with warm milk, a comforting drink that many like to drink in the cold and grey months. This makes the treatment much more rewarding to both you and children who tend to suffer even more from the various colds. Number 4, it can help to treat erectile dysfunction. Garlic milk is touted as a treatment for this, and whilst there is plenty of anecdotal evidence for the efficiency of this treatment, it was only recently that scientists found that the bioactive component in garlic exerted antioxidant effects that may help to resolve erectile dysfunction, especially in diabetic men. Number 5, it can act as a natural aphrodisiac. Although garlic may be hailed as a natural aphrodisiac, garlic breath has quite the opposite effect. Nevertheless, this is the way you can reap the health benefits without the foul odour. This is where garlic milk steps in. Scientists found that the milk components have a deodorizing effect on the sulfur compounds in garlic, which is responsible for its overpowering odour. This means that you can drink garlic milk on a daily basis to enjoy its aphrodisiac effects without worrying about it ruining your breath. Number 6, it can protect the heart. Garlic is a key component in many remedies for heart ailments. Over the last decade, several independent research teams have found that garlic has a cardioprotective effect. However, you will need to consume garlic milk on a regular basis in order to enjoy these health benefits for garlic for heart disease. Number 7, it can aid diabetes control. There have been several studies on the effects of garlic on diabetes. Garlic may be valuable as a natural agent to aid glycemic control and prevent the long-term complications that are associated with this disease. A glass of garlic milk may help diabetics control their blood sugar levels on a long-term basis. Number 8, it could lower the risk of cancer. There are several studies that suggest that the bioactive compounds in garlic can help. The antioxidants in garlic destroy free radicals which can damage DNA and cause cancer. Scientists are still unsure about the exact mechanisms of the cancer protective compounds in garlic, but drinking garlic milk on a daily basis can help to reduce the risk of several types of cancer. So how do you make garlic milk? Well, you're going to need milk, butter, honey and garlic. To get the best out of this recipe, you're going to need to crush the garlic for about 5 minutes before it's added to the milk. A compound called allicin, which is responsible for garlic's antibacterial properties, needs time to develop. Milk cannot be hot as it will destroy garlic's antibacterial and antiviral properties. High heat kills allicin, so after you've dissolved the butter in it, wait until the milk becomes close to room temperature before adding the minced garlic to the mixture. Drink 1 glass right before bedtime. I hope you've enjoyed this video on the 8 reasons for you to start drinking garlic milk before bedtime. And if you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on how to detox your liver with milk thistle. Thanks for watching and bye for now.